Whoa! What is? Lotta! Lotta! Come off of my screen, Lotta! Come off of my screen, Lotta! Jesus! Big up back this! Big up back that one here! Come off of my screen, Lotta! Nothing now, Missy Lotta Gina. Yeah, because we in a lane 8. We can't see them because of the Lotta screen here. You know what's up? That girl that run up doing now. That girl that run up. Shelly! I Shelly that now. I she? I don't even know. Cause damn screen for. Ah! At them! At them! At them! At them! Run, Elaine! Run! And Elaine that she can't even run! 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 Yeah! Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlog. It's 11:25 by the way, and I haven't eaten as yet, so I'm soon gonna make something to eat. But I am going on live now. I announced it on YouTube that I'll be taking down these braids, so I'm gonna do that now. And I feel like I want to do something nice for myself today to kind of lift up my spirits, so I'm going to be taking myself to the movies. I love going to the movies. It's my favorite thing to do. Leave a comment in the comment section down below if you love going to the movies alone too. So it's like I'm taking myself on a little movie date. I'm so excited. I'm going to be watching Fast 9. I am going to do the live now, so hopefully it's a good time. Let me know in the comment section down below if you watch my lives, so I can know. I'm trying to see something. Alright guys, so I'm trying to dog proof my living space. The dog is actually kept, her residence is mostly on the outside, and there are times when I don't want her inside, so, and I need the door to be open because you know you need fresh air if you can flow through the house, you see me. But she can hold through some of these little circle things. She can hold through some of them because you know she's a small dog. So what I'm trying to do now is dog proof the space so that I can open the door, get in more light, and allow fresh air to come through. So I have this old mesh that I got, and I'm gonna see if I can just neatly cover up some of the squares here. so I'm actually on my way there right now. I'm about 5 minutes late. I think the movie starts now, but you know it's always the previews and the anthem and all of that, which I love being there for. But as long as I can be there and the movie not start as yet, I'm good with that. So I'm on my way there. Hi guys, so I'm just coming from the theater. I just finished watching Fast 9, and I don't want it to be like a spoiler or anything like that, but the movie wouldn't want to come in like a really bad no, it's not really bad, but it wouldn't want to come in like a really fake Indian movie. I don't think you guys can see me. Yeah, you don't want to come in like a really fake Indian movie, like with all the graphics and the special effects and you know all them little things that is like, damn, when did the Fast series become this?
The next day.
Morning you guys, happy Sunday. I'm in the drive-thru at Burger King. I'm getting something to eat because I didn't have the energy to get up and make anything today, and I'm rushing to get home. I'm going to the country. It's a holiday here. It's Jamaica's Emancipation Day. Today is the 1st of August, so it's Emancipation Day and it's a holiday. And it's curfew. The curfew today is at 3 o'clock. So I want to do like a little photo shoot. I was gonna do it here, but I said I'm gonna do it in the country, and I think it would be a better vibe. Hi guys, so I did reach home safely, as you can hear from the crickets outside. We did watch a movie. Every time I'm here we always come together, me and my siblings, and have a movie night, Red Blood Sky. And if you're the type of person that did like snakes on a plane, then you'll like this movie. It is full of thrill. So if you like thriller, you can watch a movie. Now let me know in the comment section down below if you've watched that movie before.
The next morning.
Alright guys, so me and my moms are going into the town now to get a few stuff. Kimberly. Yes mom?
There was a lizard and Jordan car the other day, no one.
I want
I don't know how me reach around the back, you know.
You were in the back?
I was right here, so.
And it
But anyway, the car is so hot. The lizard there, so what I did.
guys are at the supermarket picking up a few things. This look nice, and a $200 fee. I will buy this.
So it's right in the way.
This looks so cool. Alright guys, so we're back home. Did I show you my hair? This is what my hair is looking like. It's 1:45 and I'm going to begin phase 2 of the photo shoot. I'm going to do my makeup now. Alright guys, makeup done, hair done. This is what it looks like. Photo shoot done. There is no behind the scenes footage as the sun is going down and I was really trying to rush and get these pictures, but I do think I got some really good pictures. I am about to film the outro for this video that I just did, hair and makeup, Jamaica inspired of course. So that video should be posted before this vlog. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos and leave a thumbs up if you're liking the vlog so far. As always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.